Hey, what's up, guys? So yesterday, I thought it was a good idea to try out my old home workouts, my cardio, just 4 minutes long, and this happened. Oh my God, dude, I'm out of shape.
I'm tired just looking at it.
Oh my God, this used to be so easy for me.
Oh, now you want to come over.
Yesterday was my day 19, today's day 20, and this is my day off. Now, before I show you the full workout that I did at home, don't laugh at me, please. I'm out of shape. I actually used to do a lot of workouts at home before I even went to the gym. That's the way that I was able to get lean. For those of you that can't go to the gym, definitely try doing these kind of workouts at home. Just the fact that they're short, it's like about 4 minutes long, and you could do them, let's say, 2 times a day. You could do them like in the day, in the morning, or whenever you have energy. It definitely helps. It helps burn calories throughout the day. Just the fact that your heart rate stays up for, not just during the workout, but after the workout, you're still burning calories. It is a great way to get energy. Like if you don't have a lot of energy, man, try these workouts. They really, really help. And I'm gonna be doing a little bit of this. Just the fact that I want to get my endurance back. Cause, wow, Alex, wow. Good thing I'm single. I'll be a big disappointment. Now, so as far as the workout, guys, for warm-ups, if there's a baby, grab the baby and you must lift the baby. You can't break that rule. Luckily, I found the baby. That's actually my nephew, Julian, adorable, 1 years old, 1.5 to be exact. More energy than me, obviously. Look at him, he's like running around while I'm training. The first exercise, hip thrust, and you're doing this for 20 seconds. Once you're done, you're supposed to rest for 10 seconds, I'm sorry. And then you do some mountain climbers afterwards, and you do that for 20 seconds non-stop, rest 10. And then you do some high knees for 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds, and then jumping jacks, rest another 10 seconds, and repeat. It's a simple, it's a basic workout, guys, but it will kick your ass. It will really, really bust you into shape. Great exercise to start off with at your own pace, which obviously I'm doing here. I'm just going, I didn't even rest 10 seconds. I just went for it. Just the fact that I wasn't really sure how to do it. But, I just wanted to get a nice small workout in and out and see where I'm at. I did not even last literally 10 seconds on those mountain climbers. The high knees, look at my knees. Check how high I'm putting them. The goal is to get to the level where you're putting it by your waist, which will come over time. And then Julian distracts me because he's so fun, and I didn't even rest. I went right into jumping jacks, and I did the best I can during this workout. The goal was just to try it out, not to do it textbook form, just to have fun with it. And oh God, look at him. Oh my God, this kid. He was really upset that I did that to him. I played him. He just stood there. But then once you do one round, like I said, you could do another round, and it's supposed to last you 4 minutes, 4 minutes long. The workout is something that I found on YouTube when I started working out. It's called the world's fastest workout, and it's something that's I don't know. It's just a good workout, or like to do at home and to get your endurance up. So I highly recommend it for those of you that let's say you're out of shape, you want to get your start off with something. This is definitely something that you could try out. But I'm just gonna leave the background audio just to finish up the workout, and so you guys can hear the little mini Thanos talk and look at me. Oh yeah.
He laughs at me.
Julian, it's only 2 seconds. I'm gonna get you. Oh my God. Whew. I'm out of shape. How about you? Are you out of shape? No? Don't run. Alright, so as you saw, it's a simple workout, guys. Something you could try at home for those of you that do not have time for the gym. Definitely put the time in. Just the fact that I'm going to put a graph up there on the screen for you guys. Now, if you were to do this at least, 4 times a week or 5 times a week, and because you don't have the time to train, it's definitely going to help you get in shape even at home. Because just remember, guys, the gym decides if you're building muscle, and your diet decides if you're losing fat or gaining fat. So if you control your diet along with this workout, you'll be burning more calories. So if your main goal is to lose body fat, this alone would do it to you. Like, you don't have to go to the gym just to burn body fat. Of course, it's the best option to go to the gym, but if you can't, you do have this option to stay at home, and of course just train and do what you can, and then you might find the motivation to start weight training. The other thing you could do is, like, once you get in shape with these workouts, you could just start, let's say you get a pair of 10-pound dumbbells or 20-pound dumbbells, depending on your level of activity. You could start doing some weighted workouts at home. You could do weighted lunges, weighted squats. Eventually you could upgrade. You could do some floor presses, you could do some basic chest flies for guys, some bicep curls. You could start from ground zero, which is starting off with the basics, and then you could always build yourself up, because not everyone is at the same level as, let's say, like myself, where we could just go to the gym and knock out a weight training workout and be good like that. Some people, they don't know where to start, and they don't want to start off so big, like signing up to a gym, which is it's scary for some people. Trust me, I talk to a lot of people, and they just would not, like, it's like, nah, I can't go to the gym. Maybe they don't feel comfortable. So if you know somebody, just share the video with them, because it definitely did help me out when I was trying to lose weight years ago, and it still helps me out now. It's just the fact that since I don't have a lot of endurance, I'm out of shape. If I start doing these again, it definitely helps improve my weight training workout. Just the fact that I'm gonna have more energy overall, and it's just good overall health for anyone. If you want to have more endurance throughout the day, you feel like you're sluggish, you're tired, like, oh yeah, man, it's cool, bro. You smoke some marijuana, what? No, I'm just kidding. I'm playing, guys. But yeah, like, if you feel tired, definitely try it. And what else, man? That's it. That's all I have for you guys for this video. I think so. Why am I talking? Alright, guys, so that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. For those of you that do need help, I do offer online coaching. You can email me at azxangeles@yahoo.com. But anyways, man, put that work in, guys, because you definitely could do it. Even if it's at home or at the gym, whichever one you pick. Remember, your diet decides how much fat you lose, and your workouts are going to decide how much muscle you're building if you're eating enough calories. But hold on to the channel, man. Comment below, and of course, I'll talk to you guys next time.